A blessed morning to you all. To our school principal, Mrs. Yahinon, to our very supportive parents, to our passionate teachers, welcome. I stand before you today to express my heartfelt gratitude. On behalf of the whole grade 11 class, I want to thank you for witnessing another milestone in our lives. Because it is not just another recognition ceremony for us, for this year actually marked our first year in senior high school. But we wouldn't be here if it weren't for your collective support from our teachers, parents, classmates, and our friends. So to our teachers, I want to thank you for your hard work and dedication, especially for your never-ending guidance and patience with us. And to our loving advisors, I want to thank you for taking care of us. We started our senior high school journey with your love and care, and we will forever carry that in our hearts. You have not only imparted knowledge, you have also inspired us to strive for excellence. So to my classmates and friends, I want to thank you for making memories with me. We have created new friendships, and we also strengthened the existing ones. So may we carry these healthy bonds until next year. We have faced a lot of academic challenges. We have taken on new academic responsibilities, and we have faced our first ever practical research. We tackled new tasks where the sleepless nights were inevitable. But no worries, here we are today to make sure that those nights were worth it. And to my loving parents, I want to thank you. Your never-ending support always mattered the most to me. Without you, I wouldn't even be here making this speech today in front of you. I want to showcase how every sacrifice you make is worth it. So aside from wanting to make you proud, I want to showcase how these medals are for you. So, to my very supportive dad, mom, two older brothers, and my guardian, thank you. All things that I have done is all because of you. Last but not least, to our God Almighty. Without you, God, we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't be able to survive this school year because you have given us the strength and you have given us the determination to keep on going whatever challenge they bring you. You are there. Whenever we need you, you are there. You are here to provide for us and to take care of us. Without your guidance, we wouldn't be here. So, I want to thank our God Almighty for His never-ending guidance. Without it, we wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be here, and all of us wouldn't be present on this momentous occasion. So, here's to the journey ahead, to becoming the best ates and kuyas and we can be in our final year. We must tackle our final year in high school and becoming resilient. We must continue to be the finest in behavior, finest in performance, and finest in appearance. So I want to thank you all, and here's to the journey ahead. Thank you, and congratulations to us all.
Thank you, Dr. Dawa. Wishing you the best and hoping for your consistency as you lead your bus going into the next school year.
Before we end this program, we have one final speaker.
To give us her closing remark, let's welcome to the stage